class? Good afternoon, ma'am. Okay, so I hope everybody is doing good. Yes. Great. Chalo. So, as I have told everybody that once our syllabus is done, so all the topics will be taught again, right? First, all the topics will be retaught, and after that, your revision test will be taken. I hope everybody is prepared for that. Yes. Okay. Chalo, so today I am back with a new topic, and for introducing that topic now I will be showing you something. So, you can see two objects in my hand. They both are different objects, but right now I have connected them. What did I do? I have connected them with a thread. Okay, with a strong thread I have joined them. I have connected or linked them, right? Sabjeet, I hope you can see this right now. So, you know what? So, these are two different objects which have been joined or which have been connected with each other, right? So, in English class, in English subject, there are few words which we use for joining two different words or two different sentences. So, does anybody have an idea that what type of words or what topic I am about to teach you? Somebody else. Who is going to give me the answer? Okay, Shashwat. Okay. So, that is one example only. What is this topic? Yes, Wahab. Okay, very nice. Clap for Shashwat. Shabash. So, your topic is conjunctions. Amrendra, what is the topic? The topic is conjunctions. And in the previous class, I have told everyone now that like many of you might be having more than one name. है ना, बहुत सारे बच्चों के one से ज़्यादा names होंगे ना. I hope you are sitting properly, right? चलो. So, in the same way, this topic also has not two names, many names. है ना? This topic is also having many names. Mivan, you can write later on. Okay? Let's study this topic and you can do your work afterwards. Okay? So, the first name of this topic is conjunctions, and then Shabash. This topic is also called joining words. Why do we call them joining words? Because these, okay, lovely answer, Shabash. Because these, yes Masood. Arre wow, very nice Masood, Shabash. We can call them joining words because they are the words which join two words, two phrases or two sentences. Okay, we can also call them connecting words. What can we call them? Connecting words. Yes, connecting words. Okay, means the words which may connect two words, two sentences or two phrases. Sahabjeet. Okay, so we can also call them connecting words, right? Now, in the previous class, I have taught you about few connecting or few joining words, right? So, the first one is and. First one is and. Now, you know there are many examples of joining words. Each and every conjunction or each and every joining word is used to join different types of sentences, right? सबका use क्या होता है? Specific होता है, okay? So the first example is and we use when we are joining similar type of information or similar type of sentences, okay? Like, okay, I like eating apples, okay? So who am I talking about? Who loves eating apples? No, who loves eating apples? I am talking about myself only, okay? Now I am telling you one more sentence. I also love eating mango. So in this sentence also I am talking about myself only. Subject is same. In the previous one, I was talking about myself. In this one also, I am talking about myself. Okay, and in both of the sentences, I am talking about my favorite fruits, right? What am I like to eat, right? So, both of the sentences are having similar type of content, right? So, what will I do? I will use this joining word. What will I do? Yes, Masood.
What is the meaning of similar?
Similar means same. Similar means same. एक जैसा. Okay? Sit down. So, what will I do? I will use this joining word to join both of the sentences. And you know what? Joining words हमारा काम आसान भी कर देते हैं. कैसे? They can make even the sentences shorter. वो sentences को क्या कर देते हैं? Shorter कर देते हैं. Okay? Like now I do not need to repeat my sentence. I like eating apples. I like eating mangoes. Right? But मैं क्या करूँगी? I'll use this joining word and I will join both of the sentences together. और दोनों sentences मिलकर के क्या हो जाएंगे? They will become one sentence. They will become one sentence. So I am just going to show you an example. I like apples. Okay. I like apples. Okay. Now, what was the next one? What was the next sentence? Very nice. Shabash. Lovely, lovely. I like. That's okay. I like mangoes. Now, what will I do? I'll use. Yes, I'll use this one. Abhi subject is same now. So, I will be writing the subject. Then also, the main verb is same. So, I like. Now, I will write apples. Okay. And between both of the fruits now, what will I do? I will use the joining words because इन दोनों words को हमें join करना है ना. So, between both of the words, I'll use this connecting word. Okay. I like. Shabash. I like apples and mango. Shabash. Very nice. Okay. Now, careful. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Acha, you know what? Like see, we all are humans, na? Okay, so we have so many desires. हम बहुत सारी चीजें चाहते हैं, but all the times our desires are not fulfilled, ना? Sometimes the situation is opposites. कभी-कभी situation कैसी होती है? कैसी होती है? Opposite means we want to do something, but we are very good. We are not able to do that, right? Like, yes. Happy birthday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Yeah. So, sometimes we are not able to fulfill them, right? Like yesterday, I wanted to come to school. I wanted to celebrate my special day with you all, but I was unable to do that. Now, why? Who will tell me? Yes, shabash, my kids are super smart. It was not Sunday. It was holiday. It was a gazetted holiday. So, I wanted to do something else, but I was unable to do that. है ना? So, such situation is opposite. Situation is opposite. So, when the situation is opposite, which joining word we will use? B-U-T, but. Okay. And not only in this situation, there are so many situations now. Like, I wanted to eat an ice cream yesterday, but I was having cold. Shreya, Sabji, है ना? I wanted to eat something, but due to my cold, I was unable to eat an ice cream, है ना? Now here also the situation is opposite. The situation is opposite. अभी अच्छा चलो. So but का use I hope clear है सभी को. Is there any confusion? You want to ask something, Mivan? You are still writing. I'll give you time. Don't worry. ठीक है? Okay, I'll see. ठीक है? चलो. Now the next point, the next joining word is, acha listen, when we are talking about our favorite food items na, hai na? So let's see, whenever we are going for shopping with our parents, है ना? So जब मैं आपकी एज में थी ना, so whenever I was going to the market with my mama ना, I was having a long list. Mama, I want to eat this, I want to eat samosa, I want to eat sandwich, I want to eat burger, है ना? But my mama was very strict, you know. She was giving me choice. What was she doing? She was giving me choice ki no, you cannot eat all these items. What I was supposed to do at that time, among that list na, I was supposed to choose any one of them. So she was questioning me, what do you want to eat? You want to eat a samosa or sandwich? Means and ka use nahi hai. I cannot have both of them. What can I do? I will be, yes, I need to make a choice. What am I supposed to do? Yes. So when you have to make a choice, you need to use this joining word. Which joining word is this? Or, Devam, or, okay? So whenever you are having multiple options and you have to select any one of them, then which connecting word we have to use? Or, okay? Chalo. So now let's just summarize whatever we have learnt in today's class, okay? So today we have learnt about what? Conjunctions. Conjunctions. जब हम joining बोलेंगे, then we have to add words, okay? अच्छा, see, so everybody is giving me the answer that we have learned conjunctions, we have learned joining words. I have taught you, see, let me clear it. I do not want the answer in chorus. सब साथ में नहीं बोलेंगे. You will be raising your hand only, and the person who will be allowed, only that person is going to give the answer. So you have learnt conjunctions, you have learnt joining words. What was the third name of this topic? Omisha. I don't want the answer in chorus. Omisha will give the answer. Yes, that is connecting words. Why connecting? Because they are connecting two words or two sentences together. Connecting is also similar to joining. Okay, किसी चीज को connect करना means join करना. Okay, चलो. Now the next one is when we have to add the similar topics. When we have to add the similar type of sentences, then what we have to do? Which conjunction we will use? You will be raising your hand only. Porush. Okay, fine. Is his answer correct?
Yes.
Why the responses are too less? Are you sure, Masood? His answer is wrong. Yes. What was my question? When we have to add similar means same type of information. So his answer is yes. That is correct. Do not get confused. अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है, are you sure that your answer is correct? So sometimes we are in doubt ना कि अरे पता नहीं हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है कि नहीं, है ना? But what we have to do? We need to be confident. हमें कैसा होना है अपने आंसर्स को लेकर के? Confident. Yes, we should think twice. हमें twice, thrice सोच लेना चाहिए. But still we have to be confident. शाबाश पौरुष. Sit down. चलो. Now my next question is, when we have multiple options and we have to make a choice, then which joining word? Ishu, you should also raise your hand. देखो, जब भी हमारे पास बहुत सारे options होते हैं ना, तो हमें कौन सा conjunction use करना है to make a choice? Yes. You tell me. बताओ. Yes, we will be using or. Okay, now the next question is, when the situation is opposite, when we have to add opposite type of sentences. Avirajveer. Very good. Clap for him. Shabash. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to each and every person. है ना? Now we will be like I'll be taking your revision test on this topic in the next class. I hope this is clear to each and everybody. Shabez, is it clear? Chalo, fine. Okay, so let's just wind up this topic, and you all have got the